Hey guys, what's up? This is Andrew for TRENDLINES.com. So in this video, guys, I'm here to make a big update on AMC. I'm gonna discuss what happened this week, guys. It's pretty bad. We broke out below the 14.5 level. What does it mean? What can happen now? What are the next support levels? Let's get into it. Alright guys, daily time frame AMC. So in my last video, very quickly, I was saying that we still need some time. The reason being that this move down is just very intense, and after that big moves, we need time. The market needs time to recover. There is a lot of damage that has been created in investors' mind, and the bullish sentiment is very impacted. And let's quickly see what happened the past week. So first, I still have those green rectangles, guys. That were the good positive signals that we had. So we had this first breakout here. As you can see, that gave us a nice bullish move of 20%, but it's not a lot for AMC, guys. So bears were just at 21, sitting here, guys. Rejected the price back to 14.5. Then we went higher, but not even as high as before. So lower highs and bears were strong again. So right now we closed below 14.5, guys. It's the first time it happened since a very long time. So I'm going to tell you right now what it means. But first, let's understand something, guys, that it's not an AMC related issue. All right. AMC is dropping. All right. But the rest of the market is dropping as well. If we were in the bull market, on the global market, these two positive signals would have given a much better reaction, because once again, who do we need in the AMC trade for these strong moves to happen again? We need asset managers. We need the big money players. And guys, like I've explained to you before, they were here during this first move up. And by the way, here in my last video, when I said, can we squeeze again? I still believe this is a squeeze. Of course, big money players were there, but shorts covered. They didn't cover everything, but option market makers, guys, I can tell you they bought like crazy on the upside. They lost a lot of money, and they probably covered in this strong move up of plus 95%. All right. It's not only asset managers buying here, right? Asset managers, they bought in the way up until 30, maybe 40. They didn't buy at 50, 60. All right. This was a short covering, but let's come back to what I was saying is that we need those asset managers to be in the trade. And of course, guys, they won't come until there is no good signals sent on the global market by, the Fed, for example. And we know we have the interest rate Fed decision coming this week. It's going to be very important because we need this bullish sentiment to be here. So you're going to tell me, yeah, but what about the negative beta? Yes, of course, yes, the negative beta happened 5 times in the past, but remember that it was during a bull market. 2021 was a bullish year. So even when the S&P was dropping, we were still bullish. The bullish sentiment was here. Now the bullish sentiment is not here anymore for the first time since AMC squeezed in May and Feb 21. End of Jan, whatever. So what I mean is that right now the situation is completely different. So do not expect anything very strong on the upside as long as we are in this situation. That's what I'm saying for quite some time. I know it's frustrating. I know that we expect more from AMC, but AMC cannot go against the market by itself. All right, it's not going to happen like that. We need everyone to be in the AMC trade for AMC to do massive moves up on the upside, and then everybody's going to start looking at it, and the buying flows will come again. So right now we broke out below 14.5. It's the first time. It's not looking good. It's not looking good. It would probably be followed by some stop losses that are here. Let's see where we open on Monday. If we open above 14.5 on Monday, we still have a chance that 14.5 holds. But guys, I told you that the more a support is tested, the weaker it gets. It has been tested once, twice, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. It's the 10th time we are testing it, and it didn't hold. All right. This is a breakout. All right. It's not a good breakout because, as you can see, we don't have any volume increase. So it might very well be a fake out like we always have on AMC. Totally possible. But even on low volume, we saw that AMC can drop, all right? It happened here, guys. Here the volume was decreasing a lot, as you can see, and we still dropped a lot on low volume. So it can happen. It's unfortunately my preferred scenario for the coming week. I think we're gonna go to 12. And from there, we can expect a strong bullish reaction. Why 12? Because it's the low that we had here, and it's the very long-term breakout level we had in May 21. So it's the first support we have, and each time we arrive on the support for the first time, we almost always have a bullish reaction. So I'm afraid we go to 12, but maybe not. All right, guys, I'm here giving you scenarios because once again, AMC is very hard to predict on a day-to-day basis. It's easier to make prediction on the medium term. This is what I'm gonna stick to. I can make daily updates, but I don't want to make daily predictions because it's not working well on AMC. Let's be honest, so let's not do that. So I'm not gonna say tomorrow we drop to 12. I'm just saying that 12 is a level we will probably see maybe next week, maybe in 2 weeks. All right. Once again, maybe not, because the volume increase is not high. And this is the positive thing. Once again, guys, as you know, I try to always show you the positive things, which doesn't mean I am bullish. All right. I am right now neutral in AMC between, so I was saying 14.5, 21 last week. Now I'm going to say 12, 21. I'm still neutral, guys. Even if we go to 12, it doesn't mean we need to go to 9, which is the next support level, by the way, which is somehow, I mean, it's the level we cannot really go below. I don't think we will go below 12 this week. It seems very unlikely, but let's see what happens on the global market. But we are in a neutral area, guys, that will last. All right, so this is what you need to remember. This is my view, neutral for the coming weeks. All right, so neutral, we can go, like I said in my last video, we can go to 12 then rebound, or we can go rebound, which didn't happen, and then go to 12. All right, I was saying that, and I was saying that here, if we reach this resistance line, there's gonna be a selling pressure and then probably a bullish reaction. So we are waiting. Once again, guys, my view is still unchanged. We need time. We're probably gonna move sideways until we reach this resistance. Okay, and whenever we reach it, so April, May, something like that, guys, maximum June. Once again, I'm not moving this trend line, so I'm not delaying that. It's just we don't know whenever we're gonna break out from this triangle. All right, so if we stay at 12, it brings us to June, so it's gonna be before June, and before June, AMC is gonna take a direction. All right. Once again, it can be on the downside, it can be on the upside, but let's be honest, if we are at 12, I don't see how it can be on the downside with the good positive news that are going to come from the cinema industry, hopefully, if the COVID crisis doesn't intensify again. So it's probably going to be on the upside, guys, all right? And these strong moves are still in every investor's mind. So if we have a breakout here, something huge can happen, and I'm gonna be there, guys, to update you with the targets like I did before, of course. Okay, so for now we need time. Yeah, the positive thing I wanted to show you guys is that we have this decreasing volume. Okay, and look, decreasing volume, increasing MACD, increasing RSI. Okay, this is MACD going higher, RSI going higher, volume going lower. Bears in control, the price action going lower. We didn't make a new low yet, but I think we will soon. So what is this telling us is it is just telling us that bears are out of steam and that the bearish movement is getting weaker, which doesn't mean it will not go deeper. It just means that if it goes deeper, it's going to be easy to make it move higher. Because once again, the volume is not big. So if there are buyers at 12, they will create a bullish reaction. And it also means that we don't have that much more downside to come. But once again, not much more downside on AMC, guys. It can be easily 20, 30%, all right? But in terms of levels, guys, we lost 30 points, all right? So maybe we're going to lose 3, 5 more points. I don't know. But there is not much more downside to come. We are close to levels where we can only bottom, guys. AMC is a stock, is not a crypto, so of course it cannot go lower than some value. So yeah, here the situation is I would personally be a buyer at 12. If we go lower, I would be a buyer again. I mean, we are in a situation where averaging down makes sense. We are not in a situation where buying breakouts makes sense. By the way, guys, I'm invited to be a speaker at a free webinar for FlowBank. So the link is in the description of this video. Please come massively, guys. It's going to be very interesting. I'm going to discuss actually exactly the situation, because I'm going to discuss the different strategies we can have to manage a swing trading portfolio. So what is the difference between buying low and averaging down, and buying high on a breakout, and in which situation it is better to do, and what kind of profits you guys can expect. So for all of those who are interested about how to manage a portfolio, guys, this is for you. And for the story, I'm of course an independent trader. I'm invited there because the CEO's assistant is the wife of my cousin. So this is the reason why I'm going to be a speaker for them. I'm very happy they invited me. So please, guys, come there. Just subscribe to this link, and you're going to learn a lot of information. It's a 1-hour webinar. I'm going to be the speaker. So I'm waiting for you guys. Please come there, and you're not going to be disappointed. So let's go back to AMC. Sideways, maybe go to 12. If we go to 12, we rebound. We have increasing MACD, increasing RSI, decreasing volume. So the bearish move is losing steam, but we can still go a little bit lower. We have this major resistance line that right now is around 27, but we won't just go to 27 right now. So probably later, I don't know if it's in April, it's going to be 133. We're probably going to have a selling reaction first, then bullish reaction, and we are waiting, guys, for this triangle breakout that is for sure going to give us some massive moves, hopefully on the upside, and I'm going to be there to tell you what I think. Last thing, guys, I want to show you the synthetic short. So nothing crazy happening there. We still have some synthetic short, but very small, guys, close to zero at 0.8%. I'm only here talking about the official numbers. So of course, I'm not seeing the naked shorts if there is any. And there is probably some naked shorts, of course. And the regular short is 20%, still the same. So we have a DTC at 2.3, and March 18th maximum pain is, guys, around 21, 22. So it's going to be hard to reach these levels, but just keep in mind this is the level that is going to be targeted by option market makers. So let's see if we are lucky. Maybe we're going to have some nice moves up coming here. So that's it for me. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And if you did, please don't forget to click on the sub, like, and bell button, so you're going to be the first to know when I upload anything new. And stay close to shore. I'll see you guys.